नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Nitya Satsangis, Sarvanyapeta Yajamans, Srimahans, Mahans, Kotaris, Tanedars, visitors, viewers, subscribers, YouTube subscribers, everyone sitting with us through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, two-way video conferencing, having Nayanadiksha all over the world. Today, Mahaganapati is gracing all of us on Swarna Gajavagana, golden elephant vehicle in Sarvalankara. Sarvalankara means the kavacha, jewelry, mala. Please understand, kavacha, jewelry, mala, head to toe, fully jeweled, sandalwood, perfume, everything, sangaya, sa ayudaya, sa vahanaya, sa parshadaya, with all the paraphernalia. When he graces, it's called Sarvalankara. Today, he is gracing in Sarvalankara. I think sandal and incense, sandal and perfume need to be done. Almost Sarvalankara. Let's have his blessings, then enter into the satsang.
Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Dandi Prachodayat. Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Dandi Prachodayat. Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Dandi Prachodayat. Om Rajadhirajaya Prasanyasayine Namo Vayam Vai Shavanaya Kurmahe Sabe Kaman Kamakama Yamashyam Kameshwaro Vai Shavano Dadato Kuberaya Vai Shavanaya Maharajaya Namaha Karpuragoram Karunavataram Samsarasaram Udagendraharam Sada Vasantam Hridayarvinde Bhavam Bhavani Saitam Namami Bhavam Bhavani Saitam Namami Bhavam Bhavani Saitam Namami.
Today we also have Gajamuhasuravada in the form of elephant itself. One demon comes and tries to attack gods and goddesses. So Ganesha kills that demon and saves the gods and goddesses. Today we will be having the celebration to reenact the Leela of Ganesha. Let me enter into satsang. Recite the fourth verse along with me. Actually, from today I am also going to start something new. I am going to prepare everyone for Sadashivoham from now itself. Not only on just Sundays, on living Shuddhadvaitam process, even every day, all the days I come for satsang, I'm going to be supporting and preparing all of you for Sadashivoham 2016. So, actually Sadashivoham is all about third eye. The whole work is going to be making third eye completely available with all its powers. Literally making your third eye as Sadashiva's third eye. Actually, it is on your third eye only you feel you. That is why the third eye chakra is called Anya. Anya means in Sanskrit two meaning. Third eye and will. Will is also called as Anya. Third eye is also called as Anya in Sanskrit because third eye is the seat of the will. So the Aham, your will become Sadashivoham, cosmic will. So the whole work is to make you experience the Aham, your will, into Sadashivoham, cosmic will. Almost all the spiritual traditions on the planet Earth try to work on third eye. But only, I can say, not out of any arrogance, pride or anything. Simple fact, only Shaivite tradition, Adi Shaiva Sampradaya, only is successful in developing the powers and opening of the third eye as a science. In some other traditions, there were some accidental openings. People stumble upon. Accidentally, it opens to them partially, little, or a flickering. But Adishaiva Sampradaya, Sadashiva, not only opened it completely, he developed clearly this whole thing as a science and presented it to us. He made the whole thing. He revealed the whole thing as a science and presented it to all of us. The most authentic, original source of the third eye, source of the third eye awakening science, Sadashiva. From all the agamas revealed by Sadashiva, 64 which is popular in the north and 28 which is popular in the south, other 7 which is popular in the middle, the Madhya Pradesh area of India. All these complete works of Sadashiva, from complete works of Sadashiva, whatever methodology, science available for third eye, on third eye, about third eye, you will be experiencing it in Sadashivoham. It will be like a complete works of Sadashiva on third eye. Everything he has done on third eye, revealed on third eye. I am bringing it into experience. First time, I will be giving Jnananjana, means the bioenergy of Sadashiva's third eye, to all the participants. From the day one you are going to work on Jnananjana. Actually, the first darshan itself you are going to have only after having Jnananjana. Only with Jnananjana you are going to have a first darshan of Sadashivoham 2016. Jnananjana is the powerful way of transmitting a bioenergy of the enlightened third eye to your third eyes, so that your third eyes can open up. It is like a transmission of the lamp. Transmission of the lamp and jumping of the flame. As long as Jnananjana is on your third eye, it is equivalent to continuous energy darshan. It is continuous energy darshan. Experiences, expressions,
And some of these
powers,
fellows who are
experiencing
direct, close disciples of some of
the
these
cosmic
gurus.
oneness.
Not only I am throwing
Sada
challenge for these
Shivoham.
disciples, I am not throwing the
Expression
challenge
means
only to the arrow. I am
Satchidananda.
also throwing the challenge to the fellows who sent the arrows.
knowledge, bliss.
It's
All
open.
these
Come
are
on, let's
simple
have a debate.
expression,
Open debate.
casual expression of that
You open your eyes and I'll open my eyes. Let's have.
Sadashivoham, Sivasayujya Anubhuti, and the powers, the multiple powers of Sadashiva. Sadashiva is described with thousands of
I have to
countless
remove many
heads and
weeds
countless
to
hands.
plant the
right seed. Each head represents a power.
Lot of stupidity.
Each hand represents myth, a power, radiating all those powers. Fortunately, Sadashiva is opening the door for everyone directly by himself. If you think nothing will work for you, how much ever Swamiji may give, I have to be prepared to receive. If you think nothing will work for you, then this program is for you. Because it is going to be a challenge between you and Sadashiva. More thicker the pattern is, more stronger the power is going to be. More thicker your pattern is, more grander the power going to express, because the whole science is from pattern to power. Power means what? Pattern over is power. P over is power. Unless the power manifests, pattern is not completely complete. Only when the fruit with the seed happens, the original seed of the tree is complete. When you put a seed, it has to give a fruit with the same seed. Only then the seed is complete. Same way, all pattern will be complete only when it expresses as power. Not before. Not before. Power. I have a question from YouTube viewer. Swamiji, how do I open my third eye? First thing I want to tell you, third eye can be opened. Second thing I want to tell you, for the sake of God, please open it. Third thing I want to tell you, do not believe the stupid fellows who say it cannot be opened or it should not be opened. Do not believe the stupid fellows who say it should not be opened. In Indian nursery schools, there is one story. Fox goes to a grapes garden. The grapes are a little high. The fox jumps. could not reach the grapes. Then finally he declares, I think these grapes are sour, and went away. That is exactly the frustrated fellows who declare, for the sake of God, don't open it. And it is not necessary. I tell you, it is necessary. Second, it is possible. Third, the science is available. Fourth, I experienced it. Fifth, I already shared with the set of disciples and established the authenticity of the science. Sixth, I can give you. For the heaven's sake, don't believe the fellows who say it is not possible, who say don't open it, who say it is not necessary, who say no, you will get siddhis and you will get caught in it. Not only some of the Tubuk gurus, even some of the Juku followers, the stupid fellows who have no credibility says, if you open third eye, you will get extraordinary siddhis and you will get stuck. You will not be enlightened. Okay. Even if we take that statement as true, if somebody is stuck in the level of siddhis, that is much more forwarded stage than being stuck in without having anything. Only if you had a siddhi and renounced it for the sake of enlightenment, you have a right to talk about having siddhi and getting stuck. Otherwise, now, all my disciples should be equipped with the right answers. If somebody says, Tadai, you will get siddhi, and you will not progress further in enlightenment. Ask them, yes. We are not taking you to the next level. Actually, the question need to be dealt, the doubt need to be dealt in 4-5 ways. One, first of all, what Swamiji is teaching is not siddhi, it is shakti. Siddhi is mother sister, shakti is mother. Listen. That's the first thing. Second thing, let's talk to you in your logic, because I don't think you will be able to come to our logic. We will talk to you in your logic. Okay. Have you had siddhis and experienced that is stopping you from enlightenment and pulling you to the other side? Like Ramba, Menaka, Urvasi in front of Vishwamitra? If you have really faced that situation, then come and talk. Oh, I had siddhis and I gave it away. I gave it upon it to have enlightenment. Then come and talk. Otherwise, first thing I want to tell you, what I am teaching, what I am helping you to experience, what you guys are manifesting, this whole science is from Yogapada of Sadashiva, which is Shakti, not siddhis. It is not the siddhis described by Patanjali in Patanjali Yoga Sutras. The method of Ashtanga Yoga is different. The methodology of Shashtanga Yoga is different. In Shashtanga Yoga of Sadashiva, the very basis, context, understanding is different. And the way we begin the journey is different. The way we manifest powers is different. Listen. I have to remove many weeds to plant the right seed. Lot of stupidity, myth, wrong information, false information, lies told about the third eye. The fellows who neither know the science nor interested to know the science are capable of knowing the science go on saying, oh, that grapes are sour. I tell you, I have very good, sweet seed grapes. Don't get cheated by somebody who says, that grapes are sour. The science is available for the whole humanity. I tell you, it's a gift I give it to my disciples for the love they carry for me. If they feel 2 eyes are too little to hold me, 2 eyes are too little, how can I hold you just in these 2 eyes? It is getting overwhelmed. Then I say, all right, have. Divyam dadami te chakshu. It's a gift. Maybe I can show the people who have received as a gift from me, I can make them show it to you. It is given to the disciples who come with love, surrender, devotion, who feel this 2 eyes not enough to hold you. Even if I hold your feet in the dry ice, it may get a little hurt, so let it be wet to hold your feet. People who hold the feet with 2 eyes which is wet with the bliss tears and feel the 2 eyes are not enough, then it is given as a gift. Divyam datami te chakshu. Have it. Enjoy it. And I am also declaring, whoever wants to learn, experience third eye, from today I am starting a series of sessions on awakening third eye and manifesting Sadashiva through your third eye. With the grace of Sadashiva, the various experiences, expressions and powers of third eye will be shared with all of you as the science. I request whoever wants to experience, express, manifest powers of Sadashiva through your third eye, become a YouTube subscriber. Every day, learn the secrets of third eye. Sadashiva himself will be revealing the science of third eye, making you experience the science of third eye. I invite all of you. I welcome all of you. Already, more than 10 different powers explained by Sadashiva in Agamas, scientifically established, reproduced, manifested, tested, validated by us, initiating many of the disciples. So I am ready. Anybody comes with a curiosity. If you are a seeker, welcome. If you are a poker, get lost. I am ready to play the game of the seeker, but not poker. Yes. With this, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
Thank you.